Good morning to you. I'm meteorologist Lewis Turner, and it is a very latest update right now. The 11 o'clock information coming in from the National Hurricane Center as we do track Milton. Winds at 150 miles an hour, some slight strengthening since we got our update at 8 a.m. Still a Category 4 hurricane. See it a pretty well-defined eye wall there. A lot of energy to the north side of this. So while we look at timing and we look at our latest cone information here, still the Hurricane Center showing confidence that this storm will weaken just a bit down to that 3. Still a major devastating hurricane landfalling in Tampa with conditions like haven't been seen in more than a century when we're talking about devastating and catastrophic storm surge for the Tampa Bay area and points south there. So thinking Sarasota as well, all the way down, even some high storm surge for Fort Myers and into Punta Gorda as well. But as we look ahead, the timing now, as we saw at about 8 o'clock this morning, the 2 a.m. anticipated landfall. So overnight, Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. Doesn't change much in the way of our impacts because we think about how north heavy this storm is going to be. So being on this side of the storm, we're going to see still the same big rainfall, big wind impacts. And here are your current watches and warnings right now. Nassau, Duval, and Clay County in the hurricane watch area. Now the hurricane warnings now in the St. Johns County and in the Putnam County and Flagler County area. So we're going to watch for those hurricane-like conditions. There's storm surge warnings in place as well for most of us. So we got to watch for some surge here in that 3 to 5 foot range. Putnam, Flagler in that hurricane warning, the worst Wednesday night into Thursday morning, winds in excess of 75 mile an hour with those gusts. St. Johns County also in the hurricane warning. So hurricane conditions likely as we get the gusts up and over 75, winds sustained at 60, 3 to 5 foot surge. Thinking about downtown St. Augustine and Davis Shores where water likely will be able to get into streets, businesses, and homes. Duval, Clay, surge 2 to 4 feet, and that will include downtown Jacksonville all the way down into Green Cove Springs and even further south down the St. Johns River with 12 inches of rain possible. Southeastern Georgia, 1 to 2 foot surge with up to 6 inches of rain. So for my friends in Columbia County, as well as Ware, Pierce County, Charlton and Brantley and inland Southeast Georgia, impacts are going to be power outages. So much more to track, and we'll do that coming up. First Coast News at noon.
This has been a First Coast News on Your Side special report, tracking Milton, always streaming on First Coast News Plus.